everybody. I hope y'all are having a good day. It's been a minute. We're back though with some new content. Long story short, if you guys have not noticed yet, we're in a new place. Okay, this is not where my last video was. Like I told you guys, I told you guys in my last video, I was in the process of packing up because we were going to be moving, and that's exactly what we did. We're in a new place now. It's smaller, but it will do. You know, it's not no more two-car garage. We got a single car garage, but it's still pretty big. Like I can do a lot of stuff in here. Single car driveway. We still got the old faithful Impala. We got the truck. I just finished washing her up. But yeah, you know, it's all good in the hood, man. You know, another day. I'm grateful. I got her glossing, ready for the work week. So heck yeah, man, we're sitting good right now. But anyways, the purpose of this video is going to be these babies. We're going to be talking about them and pretty much giving my, I'd say we're going to call this a 1 month review, running some MTs from Rolling Big Power. I have no problems with these tires as of right now. So I definitely enjoy it. Like always, if you guys enjoy this content, please go ahead, smash that thumbs up because I really appreciate it. Excuse the Panda Express cup. That's just me being being lazy, not to move it. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and start it. So check it out. I'm running RB or Rolling Big Power Repulsors MTs, 37 by 13.5 on a 22-inch tire. These are MTs, mud terrains. Now, if you guys have been watching the more recent videos, you guys know that I have videos of me driving with these tires on, and these tires are very quiet. They don't make a whole lot of noise, so it's pretty cool driving with mud terrains that are really quiet. They're quiet, and as of wear right now, can't really say a whole lot on wear because it's only been like a month. But I mean, the tread looks good. I mean, it's a lot of meat. The wear indicator is way in there, so you know, we probably put about, I'd say about 1,000 miles on them so far. These little chunks right here, that's for me, for my inner fender. I gotta tuck it in there a little bit, get it a little clean looking. But the backs are doing good too. Awesome tires for the price too, extremely affordable. We're talking 37-inch, 22-inch, 37 tall, 22-inch wide mud terrain tires that are of decent quality. Like, they're good quality. Like RBP and Fury tires, they and Amp as well. They put their tires on they make unique tire sizes, mainly for the SEMA show, you know, big rigs and all that stuff, man. 26s, 28s. I think Fury makes a 28-inch rim, so you definitely have a lot going on there. But these tires are very good. At the price range you can get them at, I mean, we're talking, you can get a 37-inch tire for under 1,400 bucks. That's a really good deal on tires. Comparing it to, let's say, the Nittos. Let's say you go in to get some Nittos or some what's the other ones? I can never, Toyos. Nittos and Toyos. So if you want a Toyo, you get ready to spend about 2,600 bucks. They're expensive for tires, and I couldn't do that. So definitely it's something that is worth checking out and looking into. The factors, okay. Number two biggest factors, all right, hear me out when it comes to these tires. You guys got to understand this, all right. Two things: one, tire pressure, and two, rotation intervals. On your mud terrain tires, you should at the max you should not be going past 5,000 miles without rotating these tires. That's max. Average, I would say, is 3,000 is comfortable. I'm comfortable with 3,000 to 4,000 and then rotate it. If you're going past 5,000 not rotating these tires, you're not going to get the best life out of them, man. I'm telling you guys. So definitely make sure you're rotating them, and then also checking that air pressure, okay? Because with the air pressure, you don't really know. Well, you do know, but with air pressure, if your tires are running too soft, you're going to wear them out faster. If they're too hard, you're going to have uneven wear, and you're also going to have a hard ride. So make sure you're running them at the recommended pressure. I think max for these tires are 65. I run these at, I think 50 in the rear, and then 54 or 55 in the front. So I don't remember. I'd have to hook up a tire gauge and check them. But make sure you run them at a good PSI. You know, you can do the old school chalk trick where you get a chalk, draw a line across the tire, ride it, see where it's where the chalk is being like erased from, and that's an easy way for you to be able to tell like if your tire is wearing evenly. If not, then that's when you need to start looking into things to get it to where it does wear correctly, you know what I'm saying? So that's just something to say. You know, this video, just a little quick, you know, welcome back, or me come back. I know I've been gone for a couple weeks, had a lot of stuff going on within the last month or so, so I just had to get some content to you guys. We got a lot of stuff coming up, a lot of stuff to do. We will be going to Myrtle Beach Truck Show here next month. I think it's on the 16th or the 12th, something like that. But we will be going out there, checking out the trucks and whatnot. What else? Yeah, we got a lot of stuff coming up. A lot more engine work. We got traction bars that are going to be getting put on by the end of this month. This month's almost over. We're going to have traction bars getting put on soon. And we're also going to be looking into re-gearing this truck. I'm going to be starting the process up in terms of gearing it, because we got to get some gears in this truck. This truck is starting to get a little too, I don't want to say, it's getting laggy. Okay, I'm going to say it's getting fucking laggy. Especially with that turbo, man, I'm not getting the full potential out of it. We need gears, we need fuel. Those are the two things we need on this truck right now. Because between the tires, camper shell, that's a lot more weight. And mind you, we're on a stock transmission. That is doing good. The 68 is still alive, and she's still kicking, and she's still doing good. So definitely. But yeah, man, so you know, you guys also, oh, let me show y'all this too. We also, I think I talked about it in the last video. I keep forgetting if I did. I hooked up the side exit again. Long story short, I was tired of the axle dump. I was ready to have a normal side exit. I still got to get a tip. Shout out, or not shout out, shameless plug, if anybody wants to send a tip. P.O Box info is always down below every video. But, you know, ain't nothing wrong. Damn, I got a little leftover detail spray. Ain't nothing wrong with a, you know, let's say a 5 to 8 inch, 18 inch long tip. You know, I'm just saying. Let me stop. But yeah, so we doing good though. We doing good. You know, I've been letting her sit for a while. She's actually filthy. I'm gonna wash her tomorrow. I've been letting her sit, and I've been driving the truck, all this time. And I'm loving it, man. She's still my baby. She's still my girl. You know, all it takes is a wash, and I'm back in love with her again. So she was a little dirty. Actually, she was really dirty, because it's the first time I haven't washed her in like almost a month with the move and everything. So everything's good though, holding the fort down over here, man. If you guys have any questions on, oh, where did I get these tires from? I got these from, I believe, man, where did I get them from? Okay, so check it out. I went on Google, like, you know, regular Google, and I just typed in this size tire, 37 by 13 and a half, 22, and then I put RBP tire. And that's it. And then what happened was Google like generates like normal, and then I went to shopping, and then I sorted it from cheapest for a set of 4 to most expensive, and some random company, I don't even know who they were, had them for about 1,300-ish bucks, and I just ordered them from them, and they showed up to the door. So yeah, definitely you can do that. You can also go to Custom Offset. You can call RBP. You can order directly from them, but I got mine, we're just gonna say, from Google. So it worked out good though. Those of y'all wondering about the coils, they're doing good too. Not flaking, cracking, chipping, none of that stuff. And she rides good. She rides smooth, man. I'm telling you guys, for mud tires, go back to my videos and check out when I'm riding on the mud tires. They're quiet. They're really quiet for being mud tires, especially coming from Federal Garages. If you guys know anything about those tires fucking suck. And they were loud as shit, knobby, just whining down the road, sound like a tank with no grease on it, man. It sucked. So yeah, but we sitting good though. We sitting good. Let's see, we ain't got nothing new on the inside. Last thing y'all saw, or y'all should have saw, was when I put the door speakers in. I still got stuff in the back seat I gotta get out from moving. But yeah, you know, she's sitting good. I got my Anthem hat. I got the Anthem hat up there chilling. So everything looking good, you guys. You know. So until next time, you guys please take it easy, be safe. Once again, like I said, things to come near future, gears, fuel. I got a little intake manifold I want to throw on to test out. What else we got? Sound system, so we're looking at putting some subs in the truck. So we got some stuff going on. So definitely, and Myrtle Beach Truck Show. So if you're going to be in the Myrtle Beach Truck Show, definitely. Did it stop recording? Are we still recording? Oh yeah, we are. Okay, my camera's about to stop recording. So if you're going to be at the Myrtle Beach Truck Show, comment down below. Let me know. I will be there. Once again, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for 8K. I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video. Take it easy. Peace.